Hey everyone, we have a super special episode today. I'm sharing the release of my book, Flipping Houses Quick Start Guide. As you are watching this video, this book just went live on Amazon and it's available for purchase now. It's linked in the description below. I've been working on this book for almost a year and I poured my heart and soul into it. I'm super excited to share it with you because I hope my life-changing experience can help you achieve financial freedom too. If you've been following my journey, you probably already know that I've been flipping houses for 5 years and I've been making a 7-figure income consistently. But you may be wondering how I got started and how I transitioned from a 9-to-5 job into a real estate investing career full-time. And today I'm going to tell you all about it and also show you how this book can help you set up the foundation for a successful house flipping career. Now let's talk about how I got started in real estate investing. This was almost 10 years ago, back in 2012. I had worked for a couple of years and saved up a down payment to purchase my first home in San Francisco. The housing market was at the rock bottom in 2011 and 2012 after the Great Recession in 2008, and I was lucky to be searching for a home at the time. I wanted to be close to where I used to work, the financial district, and I could only afford a small condo. After a couple months of searching, I found my dream home, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the South of Market area in San Francisco. My dream home was priced at $500,000, just within my budget. It was quite a steal because it was a short sale with a pending litigation on the complex. With short sales, the sale process usually takes a long time and a lot of buyers don't want to get involved. And with pending litigations, many lenders don't want to lend on those properties. And with the lenders that do lend, they tend to charge a much higher rate. So that further reduces the buyer pool. That's how I was able to snatch up my first home at a great price. After purchasing my first home, I decided to house hack by living in one bedroom and renting out the other. If you want to learn more about house hack, check out this video here. It was kind of a hassle to have to share my home with a tenant, but I did enjoy the rent income and the tax benefits. Because I was able to purchase my home at the rock bottom of the real estate market, the home value appreciated a lot after just a couple of years. And in 2014, I had enough equity to allow me to borrow a HELOC to purchase my first rental property. Like my first home, this rental property was a fixer-upper as well. And my then boyfriend, now husband, helped me with a DIY remodel to completely transform this property. Once the renovation was done, I furnished the place and rented it out as a short-term rental. The value of the place increased dramatically after just 1 year, and I was able to sell it at a 30% increase in value. The sale proceeds from my rental property was a big chunk of money, and I was wondering what I should do with it. That's when I started watching HGTV. The shows like Fixer Upper, Flip or Flop were really inspiring. I realized that what I did with my home and my first rental were exactly what they were doing in the shows. Purchasing a fixer-upper, putting some work into it, and then sell for a profit. So I decided to learn more about house flipping and I signed up for a few courses. I even paid $25,000 on one of those courses and I did learn about the basics of the business. And I was ready to get started. This was back in 2017 when I was still working a 9-to-5 job in tech, and I started to use my lunch and coffee breaks to cold call real estate agents to start building my network. I was able to find my first deal after just a month of cold calling, but that first flip was a nightmare. Anything that could go wrong went wrong. If you want to learn more details about my nightmare first flip, check out this video here. I was able to complete 2 flips while working full-time, but at the end of 2017, I was laid off. But it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Instead of working for another company, I decided to take control of my own life. So I didn't apply for another job, and instead I went all in on my house flipping career. I was able to scale my business and make many times more than my old W-2 income. But more importantly, I'm able to do things that I love, and I'm my own boss. For more details about my real estate investing journey, make sure you pick up a copy of this book. This book also covers pretty much every aspect of house flipping, and I put all the knowledge I learned in the last 5 years and a lot of real life examples and projects into the book to make sure that it's worth your while. There are 4 parts in this book, and part 1 is about how to find, analyze, and finance a flip. This is the most important step of flipping a house, and it's a key to my success. Because if you don't find good deals and don't analyze the deals correctly, then you wouldn't be able to realize the profits you desire. I included a lot of case studies to show you multiple avenues to find great deals on and off market, including my personal favorite way of finding deals without having to spend money on marketing. In part 1, we also talk about how to analyze deals so you wouldn't have to worry about losing money even when the market shifts, and also how you can flip houses without using your own money. Part 2 is about how to transform a house, where I talk about how you can determine the very important scope of work. Part 2 also includes a lot of my design ideas and examples of layout changes, and I also talk about how you can find a reliable contractor and manage projects efficiently. Part 3 is about selling the flip. I talk about how you can prepare the listing and negotiate for top dollar, and also what you can learn from your first flip and get better the second time around. Part 4 is about the legal and business considerations that are important for beginners. It's quite interesting because it covers a lot of the questions I always get. So in part 4, I answer the questions like how to set up the right business entity, what the tax implications are, and how to save on taxes, and also how to mitigate risks on house flipping. At the end, I talked about how to get prepared for a house flipping career, the things I did or I wish I did to get myself ready. I'm really proud of this book because with the help of the publishing professionals from the publisher, Clydebank Media, we were able to summarize the learnings and experiences from my last 5 years into these 300 pages. For many months, I put a lot of late nights and spent way more time on this book than actually managing my flips. But I think it's all worth it because I believe this book can inspire you guys to get out of the rat race and achieve financial freedom like I did. If you've been thinking about investing in real estate but don't know where to start, this book is for you. When I was getting started, I didn't know where to turn for guidance, and I paid for a course that costed $25,000. This book offers way more information and real-life experiences, and it's only $25. As you are watching this video right now, it just went live on Amazon. Purchase your copy today using the link in description. I'm also doing my first YouTube live event at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Pacific Time on Thursday, July 21st to answer all of your questions. So make sure you mark your calendar to tune in. Once you purchase a copy of this book, go to the link in the description below to enter your order number and leave a question for me. I'll make sure that your question is answered live at the event. I really hope that you guys will enjoy and benefit from this book. And once you've purchased and read the book, I'd appreciate a quick review on Amazon so you can help others to understand what they can expect from the book. Thank you guys so much for following along my journey and for the continued support. Make sure you mark your calendar for the YouTube live event on Thursday, July 21st, and I hope I will see you there.